Has that sun gone to your head?
No, no. Tell you what I have noticed, Jason. This wasn't here when I went away.
Elddis Evolution.
Yeah.
Do you want to do this one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I've not seen it.
Do a what? On the front, isn't it?
There's one down the end of the pit.
I tell you what, Brad Pitt doesn't get this, does he? Do you know what I mean? I'm having to...
You don't look anything like Brad Pitt.
What do you mean?
Not like a cold pit. You used to work down one there, didn't you?
I worked down a pit, yeah. When I was a kid. Yeah, down a pit.
Down a pit in Stoke, was it?
Ken! Can we just do the outside? Because I can't hear myself think. Hey, you're making a noise.
Oh, sorry.
Thanks, Sam.
It's not him making the noise, it's Henry. But it's Henry making the noise.
So we'll see what I've got to work with. I'm just saying, Brad Pitt doesn't have to put up with this, does he? Do you know what I mean?
Nothing like Brad Pitt, he's more like a cold pit.
How dare you? Right, can we get back to the serious thing of reviewing?
Welcome to the madhouse.
Right, Elddis Evolution. This one is a 120. It's actually Brownhill Special, so it's probably it's an Accordo.
That'd be what's it?
A what?
AutoQuest 120.
No, it won't be an AutoQuest because I don't think they do the AutoQuest. Oh, they might do. I don't know. So,
How long? That's how long.
lovely compact motorhome for someone here. We've got for sale.
Yep.
Really nice van.
Nice wheels, yeah.
Nice wheels. Loving the black cab. Do you like the black cab?
Yeah.
So,
Not over the top of the decals either. They're just nice.
no, subtle. And it's in Jamaican rum black.
Dark rum.
So if you didn't know, Kev's just come back from off holiday and he's been on holiday to Jamaica, basically. And if you haven't watched any other videos, he hurt his bum because he jumped off a cliff
At Rick's Cafe.
at Rick's Cafe. So Jamaican rum black.
Right.
You having that one?
Yeah.
With a hint of Pernod.
Pernod.
Pernod's black, isn't it?
Do they still make that?
Don't know.
Sure, yeah.
6 metres compact motorhome. Now these are, God, it's windy today, isn't it?
I noticed something on the roof as well,
Solar panel, TV aerial. Compact campervans, compact motorhomes are really popular because to tell you why they're really popular is there's a big market for them. People who've had a big motorhome want to downsize, people who've had a campervan and want to just move up to a motorhome.
A bit bigger, yeah.
Just call me Brad from now on. Okay, so people who've had a campervan want to move to a motorhome as well. People who want to get into motorhoming and want to put it onto the drive. So there's a big market for compact motorhomes. So there's a lot of people that are interested in these. These are a great van, the compacts. So what have we got this up for sale for, Kev?
It's sold this.
Oh,
Oh, you haven't put a price in it?
no, it's sold.
Oh.
Yeah, we've sold it.
Well, that was quick because it wasn't here when I went away. Well, I've been away 2 weeks.
Yeah, sold, Kev. Sold. Done. Yeah, I think they're about 60k, aren't they? Something like that. Let's have a look. Oh, do you want to do the stats now for it? It's a 2.2 litre diesel, so that tells you it's a chain.
Yeah.
It's a 2022, it's done 2,000 miles. I told you it's done 2 berth, 2 belted seats, 6-speed manual on the Elddises are always, what engine did the Elddises use?
Pleasure.
Well done. 6 metres, like I've said. It's not even at its first service yet, but we've done it. We've done the service for it. Media pack, hands free. There's a tracker fitted as well. Outside barbecue point, Avtex. Let's.
A lot of the insurance companies now, price of vans, they insist on a tracker.
Yeah, they are. They'll just be careful, obviously, when you're buying your van, yeah, because of the value of them have gone up. Yeah, they are asking for them. So, cassette toilet, that's a tall gas locker, isn't it?
6 kgs.
Yeah, 2 into there.
2 in there.
And then outside we have the BB. Oh no, we don't. Oh, we've got water. So you can put a hose pipe in that and wash your van off. You see, you like that? There's the out.
What, Jason?
Oh. Why don't you undo it?
I thought, man, you do something for a change.
Look at that, you've wrapped all the keys up as well, Kev.
I haven't wrapped them all up, that's how they were on the hook.
Oh, blame the hook. There you go. Oh no, that's water.
Fresh water.
God, you're not getting anything right today, are you, Kev? So that's why we fill up the fresh water. Fresh water drain off. And then moving around the
grey waste drain off. You missed that one there.
Grey waste drain off, which I've missed. Moving down to the rear of the vehicle, we have bike rack, reversing camera.
Yep.
Okay. What have we got in here, Kev? I'm only guessing, because I've got everyone else wrong. Leisure battery.
It's an Elddis, they're always in the locker.
Leisure battery, hook up, and then we've got a plug outside as well, Kev. And then, do you think we've finally found it?
Barbecue pot.
We've got the baby.
Well, you won't have it on the other side, would you? Because your holding's on this side, you don't think.
Do you know what? Because I was multitasking, I actually thought that when I was walking around, you know. I was multitasking. So,
yeah, great, mate. What did you do? Huh? What did you do? I jumped off a cliff, bruised my bum. I'll show you some photos after. Not of my bum. Yeah.
but this wouldn't happen to Brad Pitt, would it?
You get drunk a few times, Kev.
Eh?
You get drunk a few times.
Once or twice, yeah.
Oh, good man.
Yeah.
They finished.
No, just chatting to Paul. He's not seen me since he's come back.
I'm making a professional video with you, Kevin.
That'll be first. I met people from America and I've told them about our videos, they're going to watch them. They're going to realise we're right numpties.
Well, what's the we? Why have you got the we in it? I'm trying to do a professional video here. You're just trying to ruin everything, aren't you? Come on.
So if you're watching this down there from Ohio, I think. Yeah. She's going to subscribe as well.
I bet she doesn't.
I bet she does.
Bet she doesn't.
Yeah.
Bet she doesn't.
Yeah.
I only said it, Kev, to get rid of you. That's all they did. So, can I just show you? You've got a control panel. Oh, that was posh. Let me just watch. Can you get onto them? Watch this. So I'll put the control panel on. Ooh, look at that. Oh,
Play with it. Don't get messy too much.
So
you break things. You know you break things.
That's the heating system. That is the water system. And I think what we'll do in another video, we'll do a tutorial on how they work.
Yeah.
Right. So we'll do the video of this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then while you're having a brew, get the manual out and we'll learn how to do it.
All right. Yeah. You mean while I'm making us a cup of tea?
Let's move inside anyway. This is a nice little compact, this is, Kev.
I found Jason dehydrated when I came to work today.
I know, I haven't had a brew for 2
Not had a
weeks.
cup of tea for 2 weeks.
No. Someone had peeled the instructions off the kettle.
Had they?
Yeah.
You mean you found the kettle?
I found the kettle, yeah, I dropped the keys by it. So, bench seats at the back.
Yeah.
You'll find as well, a lot of caravanners will probably like these as well. Let me just check on this, Kev.
Yeah, somebody moves up.
Yeah. I'm having that. We've got the centre console here as well. Plenty of storage already, that's nice. And then we're getting the mood lighting above. And what's also
On TV? Avtex as well. Good
TVs. And what's also complementing the ceramic view is we're getting rays coming through the skylight. That's
trying to be posh, aren't you? You were talking in American accent a bit, weren't you, Brad?
So we've got fly screens, blinds. So universal pictures if you're watching. I'm up for it anytime you want. I could play.
If you want to do a remake of Laurel and Hardy, will you, man?
I'm quite capable of doing what films Brad Pitt in.
I don't know.
So I mean,
You're the one you should be telling me because you've been in them. No.
Fire Club. We could do Fire Club, couldn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, see that moody look.
Come on, get on with it.
Anyway, so what have we got underneath here, Kev? Storage below.
Yeah.
Also access you got here as well.
Yeah.
And then we've got storage again. Just have a look down there, Kev. We're getting the pump there as well.
And an air separator on it as well.
Fresh water.
Fresh water
Tank, yeah.
which is on board, which is good in the winter.
Yeah. They're good, them air separators, aren't they, Kev?
Yeah. What?
Okay. Kev's got one. They're separated.
Look, mate, even my head's brown.
God's sake, when am I going to eat the last of this bloody holiday, Kevin? So,
Right.
bedtime.
Slides
ready?
slides out from there.
Slide, Kev.
Yep,
How easy is that?
yep.
That's easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Sliding 2 cushions over. Very,
Yeah.
very caravanish.
It isn't it?
With your cupboard there.
Especially these caravans, it's like me nosy, haven't you? You've got 3 windows to have a
Yeah.
good old nosy out.
Does that
So-
does that table fold out, or is there another table
I'll
somewhere?
have a look, Kev. We've obviously got the carpets up because of the weather. No, that's not going to... No.
No. So there must be a freestanding table somewhere then.
So,
We'll find it in a bit.
it's got a lovely feel about it, this van has.
It's nice and light.
It's got a lovely feel.
I like the way the...
Kev, I haven't got to the kitchen
I
yet.
know, I'm just saying, I like the way the microwave's built in. Come on, I'll let you do it then. Come on.
Moving on from the lounge area, we have an adequate sized cupboard with
Solar panel
TV aerial.
and solar.
No,
Solar.
TV aerial.
Yeah.
Right? And then moving to that, protruding behind the back of the aerial is the solar charge controller, the SDC12. And why the SDC12 works is the light from outside will hit the solar panel, will then transform all around and bring electric down. Waffling there, what a...
You don't know what you're talking about, do you?
I don't.
You've not been on the solar panel course, have you? I have.
Oh God, here we go.
Protons.
Oh, Kev, watch this. We've got the consumer unit. Yeah,
That's nice there, isn't it?
yeah.
Nice.
Watch this.
That's handy, isn't it? That's handy when you're cooking. Got another one here, Jace.
Do you like that?
Yeah. So you're cooking away. You got, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I like that.
Wow. This is how it works. Kev! Done your tea. Thank you.
The first time you were.
No, you were doing my tea.
All right.
I like that.
Yeah. It's a good use of space, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Because what would you have there otherwise?
You'd have a cupboard, wouldn't you? Well, no, you'd probably have a bigger cupboard, wouldn't you? To be honest.
Could you? Because all your... I don't know.
I do like that. I really do. I tell you what I'm not seeing yet, Kev, is the freestanding table. And I think, is that the reason being we haven't got a freestanding table in?
Oops, it's there.
Hey?
Nothing.
So anyway, moving on then. We've got a grill, oven. Again, more storage. There's a lot of storage in this van, Kev. There's a lot of storage. The drain down as well for the... It's a whale system, this, isn't it? And then 3-burner hob. We also have the sink. And then I like the way how that's been put in there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this, look at this.
Even comes with crockery.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not crockery, is it? Because look, it doesn't break. I was going to hit you on the head then, but I might have hit you sometime. And then, again, we've got the Russell Hobbs microwave. That's quite nice as well.
Got an extractor above your head as well.
Yeah, I'm liking this as well. I'm really liking this fan, matey. I really do. We've got an extractor fan as well. We've also got USBs there, 2 plugs, Kev.
Yep.
And then, what do you reckon on the shower?
Wet room.
You think?
Yes.
Combined?
Combined, yeah.
Go on, then take it away.
Yeah, so here we have a combined shower toilet area. Nice little wash basin, Jess.
Have a look.
Yeah, nice tap.
I don't like them, you like them, don't you?
Yeah, well, what are you going to do in the washroom?
Have a wash.
Brush your teeth, quick swill off. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's a nice washroom, isn't it? Not a shower.
Storage.
More storage.
Yep. Got Thetford Aquarin spray now, Jason. Got a shower curtain that comes round as well. Yeah. Good sized washroom.
And it wood's nice.
Yeah. It's nice and light, isn't it?
It really is. It really is a nice fan. So, Swapperoni. So, due to my extensive knowledge of motorhomes, when you were questioning me about the freestanding table on this model is always kept here, Kev.
Oh, right. Yeah.
So that's where the freestanding table is.
Oh.
We are getting
I never found that, Jason.
lines. That's why I'm here, Kev. That's why I'm here. And then we're also getting 2 captain seats.
Yeah.
I don't mind sitting here.
No,
I'm
you
happy.
don't.
I'm happy.
with a lot of vans, when you've got the wall behind you, the driver's seat don't swivel, which would be a waste of space,
Yeah.
really. But
Camera.
a bit like you, really.
Thanks, Kev. And then we
Yeah.
have blinds.
Nice big skylight.
Nice media pack with sat nav on as well. We've got the radio, steering wheel, 6-speed, aircon.
I like the opening skylight at the front as well, Jace.
3,300 kilograms, Kev. What's the fresh water capacity?
Oh, I'd say about 90,
70. Waste.
70.
You've come a bit spot. Have you been reading up on holiday when you've been sitting by that beach?
I took all my magazines with me. and
Have you been
everything,
reading
yeah.
up on all what the litres were on everyone?
No. I read some good books. I read 2 books while I was away. I never read some James Patterson books. I can recommend them. They're great.
Which one's James Patterson now? What the big about?
American guy. He does a lot of crime things.
Is there a certain person in it?
Alex Cross.
Alex Cross. Yeah, he's disabled, isn't he?
No.
He's got a wheelchair.
No.
Alex Cross. I know. I have watched. Read him.
You're thinking of what's his name, aren't you? What was his name? The lawyer, this guy on the telly.
No, I'm not.
All right.
No. Anyway, blinds. Nice. Let's have a go with that.
Oh, here we go.
Oh yeah.
Don't you get breaking it.
No, I'm just thinking that as I was winding it, because this is all checked out and ready to go to the new owner, and I think they're going to be getting.
When's it going to be rehomed?
I don't know yet. We haven't rang them up. So, do you know what? Someone's getting a nice van here, Kev.
Yeah.
A really, really nice van.
Have they had a van before? Do you know?
Oh, do I know why asking questions?
I just thought you might know.
This is a nice van. I'm loving the van. It's a great 2-berth.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Well, I quite like the
I'm
floor.
just looking at the floor on it now.
Yeah.
This van's giving. It keeps giving. It keeps giving.
Instead of your standard like
Yeah.
vinyl, it's done like.
Do you know
tiles,
what
isn't
now? You get into balance, Kev, right, and you get a feel for them, and it's got good vibes, this fan has.
it? It's quite roomy. Considering-
anything you do in is roomy, Kev.
Yeah, true.
What's your thoughts?
Nice.
I like
Nice,
this.
nice little van. Yeah.
Really, really nice
We've done a
van.
price on it.
I've told them if you weren't listening, it's about 60k, I think. Like I say, it's only a few months old,
Yeah.
so you're pretty much getting a new van, to be honest with you. And it's got a lovely feel about it.
Yeah.
I do like this van. It's the Elddis, what is it? Evolution.
Evolution 120.
Yeah, on a 2022 plate.
So it's
Yeah,
got
it's
the
even 12
it's a
months
dealer,
old, yeah.
dealer special, isn't it?
Yeah, I said that with Brownhills, you weren't listening. I'm impressed. This is a great, great little 2-berth motorhome. Really is. Right, come on, let's go on.
We'll find another.
Yeah, let's go do another one. We're on a roll here, Cav.
Because you've got some vans while I've been away.
We're on a roll. We're on a roll. We're rolling.